Okay. Hello, and welcome to this video. At a coffee shop. I love coffee. Let's do some programming too. I like to program. I like coffee and programming. Okay, so we have this Fibonacci sequence problem. Oops, on Wikipedia. It's a pretty classic mathematical sequence. So here's kind of the numerical sequence here. See, I can make it a little bigger. Yeah, there we go. So the idea is you start at 0, and then this sequence continues. You add, I believe you add 1 to 0, and then you add 1 to 0 again to get 1, and 1 to 1 to get 2, and 2 to 1 to get 3, and so forth. So yeah, I'd like to take us through a programming example with the Fibonacci sequence. So let's see, where do we start? I like to start with a text editor, just some kind of program on your computer where you can create a text file like this, and then you can save it. Okay. So I'm gonna choose a folder to save this in, somewhere where I can find it later. I'm gonna give this file a file name. Okay, this is how we're gonna program. Let's just choose a programming language, maybe C. Let's try C. Okay, the C programming language. So to do that, we have to say, let's give it a name. So C or something like that. All right, and this is where we're going to put all of our code for C. Okay. Okay, so it's been a while since I used C. All right, not gonna lie. Let's see here. Let's quickly look. I've got a terminal open as well. I recommend you open some kind of shell program on your computer. So I'm using a Linux machine, so I've got just a terminal. Okay, and it's good to know some of the basic commands. So to see, all the files in this folder here, coding and coffee, I'm going to type ls, hit enter, and as you can see, we've got that Fibonacci.c file, similar to our text editor. Okay, so you know what? It's been a while since I've used C. So let's figure out here how to print something. Okay, so I don't know how to do that. Let's Google it. How to print to terminal C. Okay, printf is what we got to do. So how do we do printf? Oh, geez. Go away. How do we do printf? Oh, looks like we don't even need a... Okay, let's try something here. Let's simply do printf hello world. I think you need a semicolon. That's how C works. And this is like a string here. So it's just some text, some encoded text. And then this is our printing function here. So, let's save that. I just saved that file, Control S. And then now we need to actually turn this text into to a file that the computer can just read without having to interpret. Turn it into ones and zeros, pretty much. So to do that, we're going to need a compiler. So C compiler Linux, and that's dependent on your operating system. So if you're using Windows, Mac, they might use different compilers. Okay, so I think GCC is what we need. So if we go to our terminal and type in which GCC, great, we have GCC. So now if we do GCC and then Fibonacci, let's see. Oh, maybe I'm doing something wrong. Bear with me. Let's see. We got to create a function. Int main. I think this is how you do it. Turn 1. Let's try that. Oh, we need this library. Okay. Let's try it again. Oh, okay. I think we're good. Now if we look in here, we have an executable. A.out. So if we run that, we get hello world. And there we go.